This video shows how to buy shares of Dedicare AB and answers the search query how to buy shares of Dedicare AB. Dedicare AB is a Swedish healthcare staffing company listed on CBOE EU under ticker DEDI.ST. This is educational content only and not financial advice. You need a broker to buy shares. I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually by uploading an identity document, and then add funds before you can purchase. Use the platform search box and enter the ticker DEDI.ST to find the listing. Make sure you select the Dedicare AB entry on CBOE EU to locate the correct stock. On the asset page, you'll see basic company information and a price chart for Dedicare AB, ticker DEDI.ST. Confirm the company details and exchange to ensure this is the correct stock. To invest, click Trade or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, review the order details, and then confirm. If the market is closed, your order will be queued or executed when trading resumes. And if you don't have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before confirming. Once executed, the Dedicare position will appear in your portfolio. For convenience, the eToro link is in the description if you want to follow the same steps.